Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make cabbage chutney. So this cabbage chutney you can consume for variety of idli and dosas. I'll show you the ingredients, what all needed to make for cabbage chutney. Mustard seed, broken urad dal, salt, tamarind little, oil, asafoetida, 2 big onions chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, few red chilies according to your spiciness. I have chopped 200 grams of cabbage. Leaf. Now on the stove, pour 6 to 7 teaspoons of oil. Now add mustard seed, broken urad dal, asafoetida, add red chilies, add big onions, then add tomato. Cook it nicely, add curry leaf, add salt and tamarind, then add cabbage. Mix and cook it nicely. So now cabbage, onion, tomato is cooked. Allow it to cool for some time and then grind in mixie fine paste.